In this episode, I'll show you how you can create a bookmark in your Google document. So basically, what a bookmark allows you to do is that you can, once you bookmark a specific section of the document, maybe it is very important or very sacrosanct, then you can reference the bookmark, at another section in the document. So for us to do that, the first thing we need to do is to determine what we want to bookmark, right? So for me, I would like to bookmark this section here. To truly master your workflow, you need to eliminate distraction. So what you need to do is to place your cursor at the beginning of the word, right? Then go to insert. Once you go to insert, then navigate to bookmark and just click on bookmark, and you bookmark this section here, right? So the next thing you need to do is to determine where you want to reference this bookmark, right? So I would go to the final section here. Let's say building better system. This is where I want to reference this bookmark, right? So all I need to do is just highlight the building better system like this. Then I will click on Control plus K, right? And I would navigate to headings, bookmark, and tabs. And I can see the bookmark that I've added earlier to truly master your workflow. I'm just going to click on it, right? So if you hover on this building better system, to now show a modal that shows the bookmark, right? So to actually show that this works, so let's say if you click on this link now, it will take us to that bookmark. You understand? So a practical use case of this is maybe you have a very big document that spans multiple pages, right? And you want to like reference certain things in the document. So you can use the bookmark feature, kind of link them together so that your teammates can see, or the people that you are sharing the document with can see um, you know, the document in a way uh, that is more delightful, right? Basically, it's just to increase the viewing experience, right, of the reader or the person using the Google document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.